Good morning, American government. Monday, May 4th. This is it, your final week. Wednesday, it's officially over. I know you must be thrilled. Hey, listen, your task is simple the next 3 days. One, you need to complete that short paper on the media outlets that compare and contrast. It's due no later than tomorrow, Tuesday, May 5th. Make sure you get that to me. And this is a perfect opportunity to go into Facts/RenWeb and see if you're missing any assignments. Yes, I will take them. Please submit them. I will give you a grade for it. We'll get rid of some of those crazy zeros, and then we'll get your final grades in. Just remember that I have to have your final grade has to be sent in by 8 a.m. on Thursday, May the 7th. So you only have a couple days. Please go into Facts and RenWeb, take care of any missing assignments, and we'll be good to go. Don't forget about the paper. Get your paper in to me tomorrow. Some of you have already done it, and it's over. So congratulations. I just want to say thank you for your patience and understanding this year, especially the fourth quarter. It has been quite bizarre. Not only for you, but for the teachers as well. And I want to say thank you. You've shown great maturity. You've been resilient through all this. And I know at times it hasn't been easy. And I just want to thank you. So I remain very hopeful that we can get together sometime in the near future once this virus starts to flatten the curve or calm down or whatever it needs to do. And I don't mean Zoom. While Zoom is nice, I don't think there's anything like being with you. So I'm hopeful that we will be able to get together sometime soon, maybe this summer. But I want to say congratulations on your graduation. I wish you all the best in your next journey. If there's anything I can ever do for you, I'm here, and it would be my pleasure to help if I can assist you in any way. That's all I have. I will send you another video tomorrow as we just sort of wrap up the year. I do have 2 videos for your enjoyment, so sit back, relax, watch them, and if there's anything I can do, just give me a shout. Talk to you tomorrow.